Have you ever been on a blind date? Well, we decided it was about time we added some spice into Christopher Daruwala's life. So, we took him 580 kilometers outside of Delhi, left him in the wilderness, and asked him to fend for himself. Except the poor guy didn't have a clue where he was.
Here I go again, walking into the unexpected. I don't know how I get talked into these things.
Okay, Christopher, here's your map. Here's your first clue. Okay, see you.
Hey guys, where are you leaving me? I always wanted to do something exciting, a challenge, but I didn't quite mean this. All I know is that I've been brought to this sleepy little village somewhere in western Himachal Pradesh. I've been handed this map and my first clue. And I've been told to go and explore. And I'm sure I'll manage that with the help and assistance of my helpful camera crew. Hey guys, wait for me! Hey! He's a jolly good fellow. An Oscar-winning performance.
So off I went in search of my first clue. I thought it wouldn't be difficult, considering it didn't take me long to figure out just where I had been left. The road sign read, Chamba, 4 kilometers. So I wandered off in search of my movie star.
भाई साहब यहाँ कोई हॉलीवुड की पिक्चर हुई थी?
अंग्रेजी
हॉलीवुड बाहर विदेशी का?
विदेशी का नहीं, यहाँ के अपने हीरो जो यहाँ हैं।
अच्छा, बॉम्बे वाले
बॉम्बे
हीरो?
वाले।
अच्छा अच्छा। यहाँ पे कोई मशहूर पुल है?
ये शीतला ब्रिज है।
शीतला ब्रिज?
हाँ।
I think I have to go that way. शुक्रिया भाई साहब।
Why didn't it strike me earlier? They were meaning a bridge, but I still had to get there. Chamba, nestling cozy in the valley, is a curious little town in Himachal Pradesh. It's just 40 kilometers from Dalhousie, but not many tourists visit the place, and that's nice. As you descend into the valley and approach the Ravi that flows through it, you'll find the views awesome. Sitla Bridge at last.
Can you believe it? This bridge is over 100 years old, made completely from wood and metal. It's a footbridge, and it was the only source of contact between the Chamba town and the rest of the world. Now, of course, you can go by that contraption.
I couldn't understand what the fuss was all about. This looked like any ordinary bridge, but I'm told it was of great economic and strategic importance to the kingdom of Chamba, for when it snowed, the town was cut off from the rest of the world. Not surprising then that Chamba has remained in a sort of intact isolation. It took me some time to find the spectacular view.
So you guys have finally caught up with me, have you? What's this, another clue? 6 in all, they're divided equally between the Trinity. The road to God is steep and crowded. Must be some temple or the other.
Before I could cool my heels at the Chowgan, an abandoned polo ground, I was nudged back to work. But not before I got a panoramic view of the mountains and the crowded town settlement that clung to the slopes.
What's up? यहाँ बताओ कोई 6 मंदिर एक साथ हैं?
वो लक्ष्मी नारायण टेम्पल बोला तो
कहाँ है?
ये कॉलेज है ना वो जो बड़ा सा दिख रहा है
हाँ।
बस इसके थोड़े नीचे से यहाँ तक पहुँच जाओगे तो बस लग जाएगा पता
I got it in one, the Lakshmi Narayan temples, just around here.
Making my way through the crowded marketplace, I soon discovered what just around here in hill language meant.
You know what they said about the road to God?
What a magnificent surprise! One could hardly ever imagine that these grand temples would be bang in the heart of town. 6 in all, they are dedicated to Lord Shiva and Vishnu. Their unique architectural style is striking, and I was astonished to learn that these temples were built in the 10th century and crafted by artisans all the way from Rajasthan. Although I don't know much about temple architecture, these temples look pretty unique to me. I mean, from a distance, if you look at them, it looks like each of these little monuments has a little hat on the top. I could have stayed here all day and soaked in the atmosphere, but my film crew had other plans for me. Another clue! Hey, it's time I went and ate something, don't you think so? Hey, what about my lunch? But that was something my camera crew wasn't bothered about. Instead, I was off in search of the elusive Ras Leela.
Okay, guys, it's that way.
So off I went on this wild goose chase, past the shopping area to the quiet lanes, and then it began to rain. Not unusual in these parts. The weather's so unpredictable that it's advisable to carry a raincoat at all times.
She won't tell me it's there.
It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I still haven't a clue as to what Ras Leela is about. There was a red building somewhere up there, and I think I'll go in that general direction. A little friend finally took me to the place I was looking for. The Rang Mahal was the old Chamba palace, and now it's converted into a handicraft center. The Chamba Rumal is one of several Pahari forms of design. The cloth is hand embroidered, and until recently gifts were wrapped in these. Designs depict scenes from the epics, but those of Lord Krishna are everyone's favorite. The real beauty of these rumals is that whichever way you look at it, they are perfect.
What are we doing today? Oh, आज का झंझट शुरू कर दिया. She rules the mountains from the highest peak. But beware, go armed, for the wood and bells could arrest you. How exciting. नमस्कार भाई साहब. ये पहाड़ के ऊपर कुछ रानी का कुछ है क्या? कोई जगह नहीं खतरा था. भाई साहब, यहाँ कोई लकड़ का जेल है जिसमें बहुत घंटियाँ हो. भाई साहब, ये कहाँ पहाड़ के ऊपर कुछ रानी रहती है या कुछ है ऊपर पहाड़ों के ऊपर? चामुंडा मंदिर है. ये खास क्या लकड़ का है?
The Chamunda temple is perched high above the city, and the 2-kilometer ride there can be a bumpy one. But the views are guaranteed to compensate for that. If nothing else, the Chamunda temple offers a bird's eye view of the town below. Images of demons and gods run through your mind when you learn that Chamunda is an avatar of the goddess Durga. For like other mountain temples, this was often the scene of blood sacrifices. Each one of these bells signifies a favor that was done by the goddess, even to a British officer. I came here expecting to find a temple built completely out of wood. That's what the people in the marketplace told me. But there's a lot of concrete around. But to be absolutely fair, one cannot ignore the ceiling with its wooden carvings and the bells that ring to different tunes.
It's raining. It's pouring.
Back in town, even a simple chai break is interrupted.
नमस्कार जी. क्या जनानी ने क्या कहा आपसे? क्या पता? If you were Cinderella, Prince Charming would be looking for you with this. With shoes? मेरा जूता है जापानी. भाई साहब, यहाँ पे कोई मशहूर जूते मिलते हैं? शीशे के जूते मिलते हैं? शीशे के जूते नहीं मिलते हैं. ओहो, ये वाले जूते नहीं, जैसे आपने मैंने कोई ऐतिहासिक जूते हैं कोई? हाँ. वहाँ क्या मिलेगा? कौन से जूते की दुकान नहीं जानी मैंने? दुकान भी नहीं, दुकान नहीं.
हाँ जूते चंबा चप्पल है यहाँ का
चंबा चप्पल कहाँ है ये?
वो यहाँ पे मिलेगी या तो फिर बस स्टॉप के आगे मिलेगी।
ये क्या होती है चंबा चप्पल? चंबा चप्पल्स। भाई साहब यहाँ चंबा के चप्पल मिलते हैं? भाई साहब जरा दिखाओ, जेंट्स के कोई चप्पलें दिखा दीजिए।
These chappals are handcrafted, hand embroidered, are
That's
supple
more like
and
it.
soft.
ये
And
तो
if you
straps
think
के
they
साथ
look familiar, it's because they are famous all over India.
मतलब कितने कितने
And they
फुट से
originated
बन रहे हैं?
from this little town.
वो वाला जो दिखा दीजिए। This is from the Genghis Khan era. Oh, I thought this was very funny. You have 10 minutes, 20 rupees, find 3 distinctly different Himachali dishes. Hint, one is soil, the other water. भाई साहब, कोई हिमाचली खाना होता है जिसमें मिट्टी डालते हैं? मीठा कौन सा है? मीठा कहाँ? मीठा। भाई साहब कुछ खास मीठा है हिमाचल का? बतीसा। I'll eat it and let you know. Really good. भाई साहब कोई हिमाचली खाना होता है जिसको पानी में डाल के पकाते हैं और कोई मिट्टी के साथ कुछ बनाते हैं? No luck. Underneath water, of course, please. I know it. भाई साहब मच्छी हिमाचल की है? कौन सी मच्छी है ये? गुलगुली। गुलगुली। सी इज टेस्टी। हो गया मेरा? नहीं ऐसे तो। बाय। भाई साहब यहाँ कोई कड़ी मिलती है खास हिमाचली? थोड़ी मिलेगी हमें? अरे हाय, I have to get it. See, you want you? थोड़ा सा तो दे दो।
सुबह मिल जाएगी।
सुबह मिल जाएगी।
The fish. Sweet meat? Hey, this is a good place to come to. So why don't you come now?
Well, that's all we have for this week. But we'll be back next week, saying in the lines from Tennyson's Ulysses, "Come, my friends, it's not too late to seek a newer world." Goodbye.